So how do you remove the background noise while screen recording on the iPad? Let's get started. So essentially what you can do is before you click on the screen recording toggle to initiate it, you can hold down on it and decide whether or not you want the microphone to be involved, right? So if you have the microphone turned off, the screen recording will be captured but without any audio. There's not going to be any sound or anything like that, right? So that's a good step if you needed that. However, also if you already have the screen recording finished in the gallery, you can still open it up there, click on edit, and turn off the sound for the existing screen recording, and you will essentially make it silent as well. However, if you would like to speak over the screen recording, but ensure that the audio is like high quality and that there isn't any background noise, well, that's a different story. For that, I would recommend you to connect a dedicated microphone because it will get you a much better result. You know, it doesn't have to be expensive or anything, but you can connect it through a USB port of the iPad and you can speak directly to it. Or another possibility would be to just capture the screen recording without any audio and then add it later using a video editor. For example, using CapCut, you can import the video into a project and add a voiceover later. So by separating the two things, you can focus individually on capturing the screen and then on capturing your voice, and it might be in a better quality, especially if you use some microphone or something like this type of accessory. So let me know what you think below. I just really wanted to give you all of the insights which I had about this topic. So if you like what you see, most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the future videos like this one.